Hi, I am a tutor in Apple. Today we are going to discuss about Verilog part 1. History of Verilog auto description language. Beginning 1983, Gateway Design Automation Company. Simulation environment comprising various levels of abstraction, switch, transistor, gate, register transfer, and I levels. 3 factors to success of Verilog: programming language interface, PLI, extend and customize simulation environment, close attention to the needs of the ASIC foundries, Gateway Design Automation partnership with Motorola, National, and TMC in 1987-89. Verilog-based synthesis technology, Gateway Design Automation license Verilog to Synopsys. Synopsys introduced synthesis from Verilog in 1987. VHDL, very high-speed integrated circuit audio description developed under contract from DARPA, IEEE standard public domain. Other EA vendors adopted VHDL Gateway, put Verilog in public domain. Today, market divided between Verilog and VHDL. VHDL mostly in Europe, Verilog dominant in US. VHDL more general language, not all constructs are synthesizable. Verilog not as general as VHDL. Most constructs are synthesizable. Overview of the digital design using Verilog, the evolution of computer-aided digital design, emergence of STLs, typical design flow, importance of STL, popularity of STL, Verilog STL, trends in STLs. Evolution of computer-aided digital design, SSI, small-scale integration, gates on a chip, medium-scale integration, MSI, hundreds of gates on a chip, LSI, large-scale integration, thousands of gates on a chip, CAD, computer-aided design, CAD versus CAE, computer-aided design versus computer-aided engineering, logic and circuit simulators, prototyping on breadboard, layout and on paper or a computer terminal. VLSI, very large scale integration, hundreds of thousands of gates, not feasible anymore, breadboarding, manual layout design, simulators program, automatic place and route, bottom-up design small building blocks, combine them to develop bigger ones, more and more emphasis on logic simulation. Emergence of STLs, the need to a standardized language for audio description, Verilog and VHDL simulator emerge, usage functional verification, path to implementation, manual translation into gates, logic synthesis technology, late 1980s, dramatic change in digital design at register transfer over RTL using NSTL. Typical design flow in 1996, design specification, behavioral description, RTL description, functional verification and testing, logic synthesis, gate level netlist, logical verification and testing, floor planning, automatic place and route, physical layout verification, implementation. Typical design flow, modern design activity in 1993, manually optimizing the RTL design. CAD tools take care of generating low-level details, reducing design time to months from years. Today, still RTL is used in many cases, but synthesis behavior level also be possible. Digital design now resembles high-level programming language, computer and programming. Note, CAD tools help, but the designer still has the main tool. GA garbage in, garbage out concept. To obtain an optimized design, the designer needs to know about the synthesis technology compared to software programming and compilation. Importance of STLs, retargeting to a new fabrication technology, functional verification earlier in the design cycle, textual, concise representation of design similar to computer programs, easier to understand. Popularity of Verilog STL. Verilog STL, general purpose, easy to learn, easy to use, similar in syntax to C, allows different levels of abstraction and mixing them, supported by most popular logic synthesis tool, post-logic synthesis simulation libraries by all fabrication vendors, PLI programming language interface to customize Verilog simulators to designers' need. Design at behavior level, formal verification techniques, very high speed and time critical circuits, example microprocessor, mixed gate level and RTL designs, hardware software core designs, system level language, system C, spec C. Basics of digital design using STLs, circuit error design, generating inputs to the circuit error design, stimulus block, checking output of circuit error design, stimulus block and generating inputs to CUD and generating outputs together with similar block make the test bench. Verilog basic building block module NOT gate in out module name plus port commands declaring port type input in output out defining circuit functionality assign output is equal to not of input end module useless Verilog example module useless initial dollar display hello world end module not the message display statement compared to printf in C. Design methodology is top-down design methodology. We have top-down block, top-level block, sub-block 1, 2, 3, 4, leaf cells 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, and bottom-up approach, top-level block, macro cell 1, 2, 3, and 4, leaf cell, leaf cell, leaf cell, leaf cell. 4-bit triple carry counter. We have the clock input and reset input. Q1, Q2, Q3, Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3 are the outputs, T flip-flops, and it, from that it ripples to the next flip-flop, so on. T flip-flop reset 1 Qn 1, Qn plus 1 0, 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 0 0. The block diagram of the T flip-flop is shown in figure. Ripple carry counter TFF 0 0 0 to 0 3 T flip-flops are there. Then deep flip-flop and inverter gate acts as the leaf cells. This is the design hierarchy of the ripple carry counter. Module names, module terminal list, module internals, and module example module T flip-flop Q, clock, reset. Functionality of T flip-flop and the module. Verilog support levels of abstraction, behavioral, algorithmic level, describe the algorithm used, very similar to C programming. Data level, data flow level, describe how data flows between registers is processed. Gate level, interconnect logic gates, switch level, interconnect transistors and MOS transistor, register transfer level, what is generally known as a combination of behavioral plus data flow that is synthesized by EDA tools. Instances module ripple carry counter true clock reset output 3 down to 0 of Q input clock reset 4 instance module TFF updated TFF 0 Q of 0 clock reset TFF 1 Q of 1 Q of 0 reset TFF 2 Q of 2 Q1 reset TFF 3 Q of 3 Q2 reset. And the module. The corresponding logic diagram is shown here. Module TFF Q clock reset, output Q, input clock reset, wire D, DFF of 0, Q, D clock reset, N, not N1, Q of D of Q, not is a Verilog provided from the end module. Module DFF with asynchronous reset, module DFF QD clock reset, output Q, input D clock reset, register Q, always at positive of the reset and negative clock. If reset Q1, Q is equal to 1, tick B0, else Q is equal to D in the module. Illegal instantiation example, nested module definition not allowed. Note the difference between module definition and module instantiation. Define the top level module called the ripple carry counter. It is illegal to define the module TFF inside this module. Module ripple carry counter Q clock reset, output 3 down to 0 Q, input clock reset, module TFF Q clock reset, illegal module TFF internal, end module, end of illegal module, end of module. Simulation test cells, simulus block instantiate, design block ripple carry counter is instantiated in a block with clock reset and Q as output. Stimulus and design block instantiated in dummy top level module, stimulus block D clock, D reset, C up to design ripple carry counter, clock reset Q as the output. Design block was shown before, ripple carry counter, TFF and DFF modules, stimulus block, clock reset Q30, stimulus and output waveforms are shown in figure. Example, model stimulus, register clock, register reset wire 300 Q, instantiate the chain block, ripple carry counter or R1, Q clock reset, control the clock signal that drives the design block. Initial clock is 1 tick per 0, always at 5. Clock is not a clock, control the reset input signal that drives the design block. Initial begin, reset is equal to 1 tick B1, 15. Reset 1 tick B0, 180 reset 1 tick B1, 10 reset 1 tick B0, 20 stop. Initial monitor the output, monitor dollar time output Q is equal to percentage update end module. What we learned so far: history of HTL, principles of distribution using HTL, our first Verilog design example. Lexicon convention very similar to C. Verilog is case sensitive. All keywords are in lowercase. A Verilog program is a string of tokens, white space, commands, delimiters, numbers, strings, identifiers, keywords. White spaces, blank space, /B, tab, /T, new line, /N. White space is ignored in Verilog except in strings when separating tokens. Commands usually used for readability and documentation, just like C, / single line command, /* multi-line command, /* nested commands, /* like this, * may not be acceptable depending on the Verilog compiler, */. Operators unary, A not equal to B, binary A and B and C, ternary A C is to D, only ternary operator. Number of specification, size number, unsized numbers, unknown, and high impedance values, negative numbers. Size numbers, general syntax, size hash base number, size number of bits in decimal, number is the number of radix, base D or D for decimal radix 10, B or capital B for binary radix 2, O or capital O for octal radix 8, H or capital S for hexadecimal radix 16. Example, 4 tick B 1111, 12 tick H ABC, 16 tick D 255. Unsized numbers, default base is decimal, default size is at least 32, depending on Verilog compiler. Examples 232, tick HABC, tick O 234. X or Z values, unknown value, lowercase x, 4 bits in X, 3 bits in octal, 1 bit in is a binary. High impedance value, lowercase z, 4 bits in X, 3 bits in octal, 1 bit in binary. Example 12 tick H1, H13X, 6 tick HX, 32 tick BZ. Actually, the most significant part apply when size is bigger than the specified value, fill with X if the specified MSB is X, fill with Z if specified MSB is Z, 0 extended otherwise. Example 6 tick HX. Negative numbers, put the sign before the size. Example -6 tick D3, 4 tick D-2, illegal. Two's complement is used to show the value. Underscore character and the question marks. Use the code to improve readability. 12 tick B111 underscore 000 underscore 1010. Auto load as the first character. Question mark is the same as Z only regarding numbers. 4 tick B10 question mark. The same as 4 tick 0, 4 tick B0, B10, ZZ. Strings as in C, use double quotes. Example, within double quotes, exclamation. Within double quotes, A/B. Within double quotes, text /D column 1, B column 2, /N, / is used. Identifiers and keyword. Identifiers outbound with characters, underscore and dollar. should start with an alphanumeric character or underscore. Only system tasks can start with the dollar. Keywords identifier reserved by Veliga. Example, register value, semicolon, input, clock, semicolon. Escape identifier start with slash, with end with white space, tab, new line. Can have any printable character between start and end. The slash and white space are not part of the identifier. Example, slash a plus b minus c. A plus b minus c is the identifier. Slash star my name, my underscore name star slash my star my name star is the identifier used as the name of the module. Data types, value set and strengths, net and registers, vectors, integer, real and time data, register data type, arrays, memories, parameters, strings. Value set with the concept to model RR circuit, value level, value strength used to accurately model signal convention, MOS devices, dynamic MOS, other low level details. Value 0, 1, X, Z. 0 is logic, hardware condition, logic 0, false. 1, logic 1, true. X unknown, Z high impedance, floating. Strength level, type, supply driving, strong driving, full driving, large storage, weak driving, medium storage, small storage, IC, high impedance. Nets used to represent connections between hardware elements. Value continuously driven on nets, figure 3.1. Key wire, keyword wire, default 1-bit value unless declared as vector. Default value is Z for try registered, default is X. Examples, wire A, wire B, comma C, semicolon, wire D is equal to 1 tick P0, semicolon. Registers represent data storage elements, retain value until next assignment. No, this is not a hardware register or flip-flop. Keywords register, default value X. Example, register reset, semicolon, initial begin, reset is equal to 1 tick B1, semicolon, slash 100, reset 1 tick B0, end. Vectors, net and register data types can be declared as vectors multiple bit width, syntax wire slash register, MSB underscore index, LS colons, LSB index, data ID, wire A semicolon, wire 7 down to 0 bus semicolon, wire 30 down to 0 bus A, comma bus B, comma bus C semicolon, register clock, register 0 down to 40 virtual address. Consider wire 7 down to 0 bus, wire 31 down to 0 bus A, bus B, bus C, 0 down to 0 virtual address. Access to the bits or parts of the vectors, bus A of 7, bus A 2 down to 0, 3 this segment bits of bus 0 to 2 is illegal. Virtual address 0 to 1, 2 most significant of virtual address. Integer, real and time register data type. Integer, keyword integer, very similar to a vector register. Integer variables are signed numbers. Register vectors are unsigned numbers. Bit width implementation independent, at least 32 bits. Designers can also specify the width. Integer 7 down to 0 TMP. Integer counter. Integer initial counter is equal to -1 semicolon. Real, keyword real values, the default value is 0, decimal notation 12.224, scientific notation 3E6, 3 into 10 power 6, cannot have range declaration. Example, real delta, initial begin, delta is equal to 4E10, delta is equal to 2.13, and integer I, initial I is equal to delta, I gets a value 2, rounded value of 2.13. Time used to store values of simulation time, keyword time, bit with implementation independent at 64, $time system function gives current simulation time. Example, time, save simulation time, initial save sim time is equal to $time. Only one-dimensional arrays are supported. Allowed for register, integer time, not allowed for real data types. Syntax, data type, variable name, start index, colon, sum index. Integer count 0 down to 7. register boot 31 down to 0, time checkpoint 1 down to 100. Register port ID 0:7, integer matters 4:0, and 4:4 is illegal. Count by checkpoint 100, port ID 3. Note the difference between vectors and arrays. Memories, RAMs, ROMs, and register files used many times in this system. Memory is an array of registers in Verilog. Word and element of the array can be one or more bits. Just example, register a memory bit 0 to 1023, register 7 down to 0, memory byte 0 to 1023, memory byte 511. You know the difference as in arrays. Register byte 0 to 227, register 0 to 227, register. Parameters similar to constant in C, but can be overridden for each module and compile them. Syntax, parameter, constant ID value. It gives flexibility to customize the module. Example, parameter port ID 5, parameter cache line width 256, parameter bus width 8, wire bus width -1:0 bus. Strings are stored in variables. 8 bits required per character. The string is stored from the least significant part to the most significant part of the register value. Example, register A*18:1 string value. Initial value allow within quote double quote allow word explanation. Escape character \n new line \t tab %% // within quotes semicolon /o character number in octet. System task, standard routine operation provided by Verilog, displaying on screen, monitoring values, stopping and finishing simulation, etc. All start with $. $display displays values of variable strings, expressions, syntax, $display P1, P2, P3, Pn. P1 to Pn can be quoted strings, variables, or expression. Adds a new line after displaying Pn by default. Format specify %D, %B, %S, %O display variables, respectively in decimal, binary, hexa, and octal. %C, %A display character string. %E, %F, %G display real variables in scientific, decimal, or whichever smaller notation. %B display strength. %T display in correct time format. %ATM display hierarchical name of this module. $display expansion, $display all over Verilog world explanation, output all over Verilog world explanation. $displays $time 230, output 230, and register 0 down to 0 to 40 virtual address. $display at the time, %D virtual address is %S, and $time virtual address. At time 200, virtual address is 1FE000001C. System task register 4 down to 0 port ID, $display ID of port is %B port ID. Output ID of the port is 01101. Register 3 down to 0 bus, $display bus value is %B bus. Bus value is 10XX. Display hierarchical name of this module is %M. Hierarchical name of this module is top.pl. Display A/n multi-line string with a % sign dot. A the next line multi-line string with a % sign. $monitor monitors a signal when its value changes. Syntax $monitor P1 to Pn. P1 to Pn can be quoted as strings, variable, or signal names. Format specifies just as $display continuously monitor the values of the specified variables or signals and displays the entire list whether any of them changes. $monitor needs to be invoked only once, unlike $display. Only one $monitor, the latest one, can be acted at any time. $monitor to temporarily turn off monitoring, $1 to turn off turn monitoring on again. Dollar monitor example, initial begin $monitor $time, value of the signal clock percentage B, reset is going to be percentage B, clock reset. 0 value of the signal, clock is equal to 0, reset is 1, pi value of the signals, clock is 1, reset is 1, 10 value of the signal, clock is 0, reset is 0. Dollar stops the simulations, dollar simulation enters in interactive mode when reaching a dollar stop. System task most useful for debugging. Dollar finish terminate simulation. Example, initial begin clock is 0, is 0, $100 stop, under $900 finish end. Compiler directive general syntax tick keyword, tick define, similar to percentage apartment chain design in C used to define macros. Tick macro name to use macro define by tick define. Tick define word size 32, tick define yes, stop. Tick define word register underscore register 31 down to 0. Tick word underscore register a bit 32-bit register. Tick include similar to hash include. In C includes entire contents of another file in your log source file. Tick include error.b, verilog code in file design.b. What we will learn, basic concept of Verilog. Verilog is very similar to C, various data types available in Verilog. Verilog use 4-valued logic, 0, 1, x3. System talks are Verilog statements used to request something from simulator. Compiler directly instruct the compiler to do something for us at compile time. Modules, basic building block of Verilog hierarchical design, top down or bottom up. Multiple modules in a single file, order of definition, not important module name, port list, port declaration, ports are present, parameter option, declaration of wires, registers, and other variables, data flow statement assigned, instantiation of lower level modules, always, and the initial block. All behavioral statements go in these block, tasks and functions, end module statement, components of a Verilog module. Module example, SR flip charge, S bar set, R bar reset, N1 and NAND gates, and Q and Q bar are the output. Module SR latch, Q bar, S bar, R bar, output Q bar, input S bar, R bar, instantiate load level module, node, how the wire are connected in the cross-coupled fashion, NAND N1, Q S bar, Q bar, NAND N2, Q bar, R bar, Q, end module top, wire, Q bar, reset, set, reset, instantiate, low level modules. In this case, the instantiate SR latch, feed inverted set and reset signals to the SR latch. SR underscore latch 1 is Q bar, not set, not reset. The beginning bug initial begin $monitor $time within double quote set is going to be percentage B, reset is percentage B, Q score percentage B, backslash and set reset Q. Set is equal to 0, reset is equal to 0 by at 5. Hash 5 reset is equal to hash 5 reset is equal to 0, hash 5 set is equal to 1, hash 5 set is equal to 0, reset is equal to 1, hash 5 set is equal to 0, reset is equal to 0, hash 5 set is equal to 1, reset is equal to 0, end module. The output is shown in how it is put in the model sim is shown in figure. Here the top module is instantiated, then waveform is got, ST1, ST0, 1 and 0 are shown in figure. Ports, interface of the module to the environment. Internal of the modules are not visible to the environment. Internals can be changed as long as the interface ports is not changed. Example, 4-bit adder module inside a top module. Top A, B, C, N, sum out, full adder 4-bit, full add 4. Module full at for sum, C out, ABCN. Module with a list of ports. Module top number no list of ports. Top level module in simulation. Port declaration: all ports in the list ports must be declared in the module. Vanilla keyword module. Mode port, input port, output port, in-out bidirectional port. Module full add sum, C out, ABC. In output 3W0 sum, output C out, input 3W0 A comma B, input CN, end module. Port declaration continue. Node all ports are wire by default. No need to declare it again as wire. If expected to be registered, the port needs to be declared again only for valid output ports Y. For the example, the Q port in DFF module. Module DFF Q, D, clock, reset output Q. Register Q output ports Q holds value or register. Input D, clock, reset end the module. Because the request conjugate and DFF, module DFF Q clock reset, output Q input clock reset end module. Module replica counter Q clock reset, output 3W0 Q input clock reset. 4 instances of the module TFF are created. TFF 0, Q0 clock reset, TFF 1, Q1 Q of 0 reset. TFF 2, Q of 2, Q of 1 reset, TFF 3, Q of 3, Q of 2 reset. Standard syntax, module name, instance name, port connection list. Assuming module triple carry counter Q, clock, reset, triple carry counter and CNTRL, wire vector 1, wire 2, wire 3. Port connection rule, 2 parts of a port, internal and external modules. Register or net is the input. Input is net. Other one is also net. Bidirectional in-out or net. Output is a register or net. Bit matching, legal to connect items of different sizes. Where a warning may be issued by unconnected port allowed in Verilog. Modules, module will add some C out, A, B, C in. Will add port if you 0, some A, A, B, C in. Port C out is not connected, is unconnected. Example of illegal port connection, module top declare connection variable, register 3W0 A comma B, register C underscore N, register 3W0 sum, wire C out. Instantiate pull at port, call it FA0, pull at port FA0, sum C out, A comma B comma C in, illegal connection because output port sum is connected to register. So the inputting the module in the model solution here. Connecting ports extends 2 ways for port mapping, connecting by audit list, more intuitive for business, mostly used when having few ports. Connecting by name, used when having more ports. Give independence from order of ports. The order of ports, the port list of a module can be changed without changing the instantiation. Module full for sum C out, A, B, C in, and connecting by order list and module declare connection variable, register 3W0 A comma B, register C in, wire C3W0 sum, wire C out, signals are connected to ports in order by position, full at port FA order, sum C underscore A, B, C in, end module. Module full at ports and connecting ports remain sum C out, A, B, C in, end module, order declare connection variables, register 3W0 A comma B, register C underscore in, wire 3W0 sum, wire C out, signals are connected to ports by name, full add port, FA by name, dot C out of C out, dot sum of sum, dot P of P, dot A of A, end module. Hierarchical design and identifier for every Signal variables are modulated. The same identifier can be used in different levels of hierarchy. Hierarchical name referencing unique name to every identifier in the hierarchy. Top level model name dot instance name dot identifier. Hierarchical names, stimulus block, set reset, SR, 9, QQ bar, stimulus, QQ bar, set reset variable, M1 SR latch, N1, N2 are NAND gate, and Q2, Q bar SR signals. Hierarchical name, model similars, wire, QQ bar, register set reset, SR latch, M1, QQ bar, not set, not reset, shell, N module, module SR latch, QQ bar SR, output QQ bar, input SR, NAND N1, Q, S, Q bar, NAND S2, N2, Q bar, R, Q, and module hierarchical names, stimulus, stimulus.q, stimulus.q bar, stimulus.set, stimulus.set, stimulus.m1, stimulus.m1 and .q, stimulus.m1.q bar, stimulus.m1.s, stimulus.m1.r, stimulus.m1, stimulus.m2. Primitive gates, I1, I2, output AND gate, I1, AND gate, gate, NOT gate, and XR gate, and XOR gate symbols of here. Syntax to module instance, where out N1 into N3 and A1 out A1 into NAND NA1 out A1 into NAND NA1 and 3 input out E1 into N3. What we have learned so far is how to different models, shared models, connect most of the models together and to the external signal for mapping. Got familiar with the different models of a model. Hierarchical design will have down to primitive gauge. Thank you.